Mommy said no. I said no. Luca. Hey. Hey. Luca. Don't even think about going under there. Don't even think. Luca. Luke. Hey. Hey. This baby is so fresh. This baby. Hey. Hey. Excuse me. Hello. Hey. Didn't I tell you a million times not to go under there? You just gonna do what you want. Okay. Alright, we'll stay. Hiccups? Oh no, he's got it!